see if we make any noise here. Not that one. Whoa, boy. We're off to the races. That's crazy. Okay, well, the engine's not stuck, so that's really cool. Let's try to free up this linkage here. Down here is the injection pump. This is the throttle. I want to make sure that if I start this thing, I can turn it off. Let's make sure that's moving. Okay. Now we make sure it's not in gear. And when you're doing this stuff, especially alone, these machines don't care if your leg's under the track or you're sitting on it. If it starts to go, you just take a couple safety precautions and you'll be just fine. These batteries are going to be insufferable. I certainly wouldn't mind cracking these. Let's see what's behind door number 1. Well, I mean, that's fuel. Okay. I'm gonna kind of figure out how this fuel system works here. I think the fuel is shut off on this one too. I am not. That tastes terrible. See if there's fuel on this one. No, I think that's the return. And this comes from the tank, but I don't have any fuel here. I found the fuel line. One of these is a supply, one is a return. That's definitely chewed through and not a great sign. I'm assuming that's the return. I'm going to pull these out of here and rig up a temporary fuel